Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I brought Lucy here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna be opening up this awesome PupBox that I got for her, if she's interested at all. Lucy. Basically, the PupBox was my first PupBox unboxing, and I decided to subscribe to something that it's a subscription box for puppies, and they send out something every month, and they send you what's included, but also what's great is that it is tailored for the age of your puppy. So they send out training cards and they send out toys that are made specifically for your puppy. So she's already interested in the box. What's inside? What's inside? So this box was actually a little bit delayed due to Canada Post, so it was really made for her when she was 8 weeks old. She is now 10 weeks old. But what's in here? First off, oh, look at that. It is a blanket. Look at that. Let's see what's on the list here. A Harmony Koza Sherpa Pet Throw. Do you like that? Do you like that? Oh, I think you do. Next, come in here. We've got a pre-engraved pet tag with exclusive pet ID. So this is a smart tag with a unique ID number on the back designed to keep you connected with your pet at all times. Ah, I think you have to actually download the app for that, but that is great. What do you see in here? What is this? What is this? This is a rope tug. Oh, this is great. Oh, and she's already run away with it. Hold on, come back. We want to show everybody what's in here first, please. Thank you. And in here we've got a rope tug toy, and she already likes it, but I like that there's this kind of rubbery thing on it, but then the rope tug at either end. Here, come here. You play with that. And then what else is in here? We've got a Clean Touch ink pad. Ah, come back. No mess. So this is to get so Clean Touch ink pad. You're basically taking a little paw print. How cute is that? And then this toy. What is this toy? Come here. Lucy should be part of this video, but she's busy playing with the rope toy. Hold on. Pup, pup, pup. The second toy that's in here is this Little Loves, and I like it because it's squishy, and she seems to like it too. There's a squeaker, and it's got that crinkle in it. Do you like it? I think she likes it. Do you like it? It's cool because, I mean, the PupBox, it's different every single time, and they include different toys. And then what else is in here? We got different treats as well. We have Salmon Cutlets. Ooh, all natural dog treats. So just even looking at the ingredient information, because that's important. It's Scottish salmon, sweet potato, natural hardwood smoke. Ah, so that is all natural. There aren't any, you know, weird preservatives in there. So these are all great. And what I love about this, and she obviously loves it too, is that you've got, I like this, puppy kisses regarding, looking at dental treats, and what else is in here. So this is all that came in this box. So you had the throw, newborn guide, the pet tags, the pear head ink pad, Leaps and Bounds Little Loves puppy plush, the Leaps and Bounds rope slide chew toy, and the Sniff Snacks salmon and sweet potato cutlet treats. So with the PupBox, you can actually choose either 3, 6, or a 12-month subscription, depending on what you'd like. We purchased a 6-month subscription just to give it a try and see whether or not she would like it. I've included a referral link in the description below that will get you 50% off your first box when you purchase a 6 or a 12-month plan. And I just think it's fantastic. She's already under the couch playing with the rope toy. Pup, pup, Lucy. So then we're going to try these salmon cutlets. So it is smoked salmon with sweet potato. I don't know why I decided to smell these, but let's see if she will. Down. All the way down. Good. Up, up, up. Up. Yes. There you go. Do you like those? They don't smell too badly. These are great. I love that we get to try different treats that I wouldn't normally have thought of. Good girl, yes. Sit. practice this one. Oh, off. Yes, good girl. Sit. Look. And touch. Yes, good girl. So I love having a little present or a subscription box that comes in the mail once a month with different toys and different treats. And I highly recommend PupBox. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but I really like the products that they've come out with, and I like that there's something different every month. And then she gets a little toy. It's something that I don't have to think about. I don't have to think about, oh, I need to buy her another toy, or oh, what kind of treats would she like? This PupBox kind of takes all the questions out of that. All right, but that is it for me and from Lucy. She's in her box now. But that is it for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, I do have a referral code for 50% off your first box when you purchase a 6 or a 12-month plan down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.